Welcome to Technology Review. Today, we're diving into Apple's latest budget-friendly iPhone, the iPhone 16e. This device offers a unique mix of affordability and modern features, making it an intriguing option for many. But does it cut too many corners? Or is it the best value iPhone you can get? Let's unbox it, test it, and find out design and build quality. At first glance, the iPhone 16e looks nearly identical to the iPhone 16. Same 6.1-inch display, a flat-edge aluminum frame, and the classic Apple aesthetic. But there are some key differences. No MagSafe. Apple ditched the magnetic charging and accessory system on the 16e, making it a traditional wireless charging experience. No ultra-wide camera. While the 48MP main sensor is impressive, it lacks the 0.5x ultra-wide lens found on the standard iPhone 16. New C1 modem. This is the first iPhone to feature Apple's new in-house modem, designed for improved efficiency and connectivity. For those upgrading from an older device like an iPhone 11 or SE, the 16 you will feel like a huge leap forward in terms of display quality, performance, and battery life. But is it the best bang for your buck? Let's dive deeper. Performance and Apple Intelligence features. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e is powered by Apple's A8 chip, a slight downgrade from the A18 chip found in the Pro models. But don't let that fool you. This processor is still incredibly powerful, handling everyday tasks, gaming, and even demanding Apple Intelligence features with ease. Here's what you get with the A8 chip. Better battery life. The iPhone 16e has some of the best battery life in its category, thanks to improved efficiency from the C1 modem. Apple Intelligence compatibility. Features like Live Translate, Smart Summarization, and AI-enhanced photos work seamlessly. iOS 18 optimizations. Expect faster app launches, smoother animations, and better RAM management. Apple has made sure that the iPhone 16e doesn't feel outdated, even if it's missing some high-end features. It's a perfect balance between affordability and performance. Camera performance, the good and the missing. Let's talk about the biggest highlight of any iPhone, the camera. The iPhone 16e features a 48MP main camera with a 2x optical zoom. It delivers fantastic photos in almost any lighting condition, and video recording is as smooth as ever. Cinematic mode, Smart HDR6, and night mode ensure you're getting top-tier image processing. What's missing? No ultra-wide lens. If you're a fan of capturing landscapes or group shots, you might miss the 0.5x ultra-wide lens from the iPhone 16. No camera control button. The iPhone 16 Pro models come with a dedicated camera control button, which is missing here. Despite these omissions, the 16e still delivers an amazing camera experience, especially for those upgrading from an older iPhone or an Android device. Real-world testing. How does it hold up? To put the iPhone 16e through its paces, we took it on a Jurassic Park adventure at Kualoa Ranch in Hawaii. This scenic location is a perfect stress test for the camera, battery life, and durability. Here's what stood out. 1. Video performance. The 1x and 2x camera modes produced sharp and vibrant footage. Digital zoom up to 6x was impressive, though not as detailed as the Pro models. Shooting in bright sunlight and low light conditions yielded stellar results. 2. Photo quality and editing. With 48MP resolution, images retain high detail even when cropped. Apple's photographic styles and cleanup tool allow for easy photo customization. iOS 18's AI-powered image enhancements work seamlessly. 3. Durability and water resistance. IP68 rating means it can survive accidental splashes and dust. Tested with oceanic dive housing. Handled underwater shooting like a champ. Who should buy the iPhone 16e? The iPhone 16e is a fantastic option if you're looking for white heavy checkmark, a budget-friendly iPhone under $600. White heavy checkmark, great battery life, and strong performance. White heavy checkmark, high-quality photos and videos without pro-level pricing. White heavy checkmark, a simple, no-frills Apple experience. Who should skip it? Cross mark if you need MagSafe for accessories or fast wireless charging. Cross mark if you love the ultra-wide camera for creative shots. Cross mark if you want the best gaming performance. The A8 chip is powerful, but not top tier. Final verdict: should you buy the iPhone 16e? The iPhone 16e proves that Apple knows how to balance price and features. While it lacks some pro features, it makes up for it with stellar battery life, a great camera, and Apple's latest software. If you're upgrading from an older iPhone, an SE model, or even an Android phone, the 16e is a fantastic choice at this price point. However, if you want the best iPhone experience, you might want to save up for the standard iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. Either way, the iPhone 16e is a solid addition to Apple's lineup and a smart choice for many users. What do you think of the iPhone 16e? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with technology review for more in-depth tech breakdowns.